What does deed preparation mean? This might be a state-specific quirk, but here in Pennsylvania, every time a buyer gets under contract with a seller, the buyer's title company reaches out to the seller and asks, would you like us to prepare the deed? Or sometimes they might say, would you like us to convey title? And without fail, the seller says, dude, WTF are you talking about? What the title company is asking is simply whether you would like them to take care of drafting the deed, which is the legal document making the transfer of ownership official. As a buyer, unless you have your own personal attorney or if you're a real estate attorney yourself, and maybe there's some complication with ownership, 99.9% of the time, the answer is yes, I want you to prepare the deed. There's a fee involved. By the way, it's paid out of your closing proceeds, but someone has to do it in order to transfer the property. And the fee is usually not very high in the grand scheme of things. I'm Kyle McCorkle with Prime Home Real Estate, and thanks for watching.